Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital gift cards on eBay. It's a fantastic way to turn unused gift cards into cash or to expand your online selling ventures. We'll go over the essential steps, from understanding eBay's specific policies for digital goods to creating an effective listing. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to successfully selling your digital gift cards, ensuring a smooth and profitable experience for both you and your buyers. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into creating your actual eBay listing. Selecting the right category is crucial for visibility, so make sure it aligns perfectly with your gift card. Your title and description should be crystal clear, detailing the card's value, merchant, and any terms. Remember, for digital items, shipping usually means electronic delivery, so specify how you'll send the code. Pricing competitively will attract buyers, so do a little research to find that sweet spot. This step sets the stage for a successful sale. Once your item sells, ensuring a smooth transaction is key. Always verify the buyer's information and payment status through eBay before sending anything. Prompt and secure delivery of the digital code is paramount. Consider using eBay's messaging system or a secure email. Familiarize yourself with eBay's buyer protection policies, as this will help you navigate any potential issues. A secure and timely delivery builds trust and helps prevent disputes, leading to happy customers and positive feedback for your store. After the sale is complete, your job isn't quite finished. Providing excellent customer service is vital for repeat business and a strong seller reputation. Be responsive to any questions or concerns your buyer might have. Politely encourage them to leave positive feedback, as this boosts your credibility. While rare, understanding how to handle returns or disputes according to eBay's guidelines will save you headaches. A little post-sale care goes a long way in building a successful and trustworthy selling profile on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.